Boo Bear and Friends speech therapy learning videos.
Hey, I'm Boo Bear.
Hey, I'm Pinkie Pig.
Would you like to learn about the letter P with us?
You do? Great! Did you know the letter P says the P sound?
To make the P sound, we need to use our lips. First, touch your top lip. Next, touch your bottom lip. Next, press your lips together like this. Now say the P sound 3 times. P, P, P.
Great job making the P sound, Boo Bear. Hey, did you know that we can use other sounds to help P say its name?
We can? What other sounds can we use, Pinkie Pig, to help P say its name?
We can use the short vowels A, E, I, and to help P say its name. Do you want to try it? You do? Let's go!
Yay! Let's practice saying the P sound. P,
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 Pa.
P. Let's sing a song about the letter P and the P sound.
Let's make the P sound. First you touch your top lip, then you touch your bottom lip, then you press your lips together just like this. Now you are ready to say the P sound. Now say the P sound 4 times after me. P, 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 P. Now you know how to say the P sound. Yeah! Make sure to like and share and subscribe to our channel.